In the chapter 10, Building Relationships in Supply Chain, I have learned chapter 10, Strong Relationship with the Supply Chain, are crucial for ensuring seamless operations and also trust and long-term success. Reflecting on relationship building practices can highlight some areas of strength and opportunities for improvement. And also, I learned that the organization can build stronger, more resilient, and mutually uh, beneficial relationships in their supply chain.